Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be showing you how to add a Pinterest widget on Android in this video. Let's get started. Tap and hold anywhere on your home screen. Tap on Widget at the bottom. Now scroll down to find Pinterest. Here are two display options. First is to display only one pin from your home feed of Pinterest. Another is to display up to 6 pins. I'm selecting the first option. Simply tap on it. Now you can drag it anywhere. After you're satisfied, tap on Done at the top right. And that is how to add Pinterest widget. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.